recycling of waste plastic bottle to high-grade PET by using the reusable catalyst. Next slide, please. So we all know plastic is the major problem. The major issue is first is the landfill issue, because 92% plastic are landfilled and only 1% are recycled. Second major issue in the plastic recycling is the burning issue, and most of the plastic is burned, and it causes the global warming also. No? And in next slide, please, sir. In our technology, we can use the chemical degradation of plastic waste. There are a lot of method used in the plastic recycling technology, and what we in our technology, we can use the chemical degradation of plastic waste. And in chemical degradation method, these are the reported method. Here show some of the scientists use the hydrolysis method. Water is used as solvent, but major drawback in these methods, if we use the water as a solvent, then high temperature and pressure is required. And the second is methanol is used as a solvent, and so it is a volatile solvent. So it is very difficult. It is difficult to maintain such temperature and pressure. And third drawback is we can use the catalyst is used. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Third is we can use the catalyst, but in catalyst is a major drawback is again we can not easily recycle these catalysts. And another drawback in these technologies, the BHET and oligomer is formed, which is not highly pure. Next slide, please, sir. In our method, we can use the MHT as the monomer. Hello. Yes. So in our methodology, we can use the recycling catalyst and solvent, and product is obtained. The MHT is a pure MHT. Single product is obtained, and we can use the catalyst and solvent. We can easily recycle. And main advantage of our method is we can, in all reported method, there is a BHT and oligomer is found, but in our methodology, there is single monomer is obtained. Yes, next slide, please, sir. So these are the characterization which we can use. MHT, we can GCMS technique of the purity is 99%, and LCMS and TZA technique we can already use. Next, sir. So this is the cost benefit analysis which we can propose. For first year, there is a cost of we will require the apparatus for this, like instrument is required. So cost is benefit is less, but in next year it go to the major step. We can increase our productivity also. Next, sir. So this is the patent we have already granted in this technology. There are two patents, one is published and one is granted there. So next slide. So this is the methodology which can be used. First, we can collect the plastic-based bottle from our region. Then we can cut into small pieces. Then we can add the catalyst solvent, and further we can heat it at 198 degrees centigrade, and then we can decant the solvent and catalyst, and finally we obtain the final product is obtained. Next slide, please, sir. So these are the target industry. We can recycling industries we can use here, like the PET industries in local areas and Nike industry, because same mechanism is involved in the polyester textile waste also. So we can also target the textile industries also as well. Next slide. So this is the our future plan for 5 years. First year we can first year we concentrate on the commercial. We go to the commercial scale, and we can already develop the prototype. and kilo scale we can develop at a lab scale. And in second year, third year, we can enhance into the market value. Next, sir. Next slide, please. So this is the proposed budget. I think 15 to 20 lakh is required for initial budget for commercial level to develop this technique at a commercial level. Next, sir. So this is the partnership. We will need partnership from the industry, so we can develop at the commercial levels.